It just seems like the traffic keeps coming. No better way to spend your day. Welcome to the Noosa Hinterland, or maybe just outside the Noosa Hinterland. Welcome to Pie Creek, an area dominated by local families, the ultimate in lifestyle living.
Something about you, and I don't want to change it. Here I am hoping for the right person. I already know that you're anything to hold me.